In a single moment, everything can change. A severe storm can ruin your home, your business, everything that you have built for your family. We know that rebuilding can be expensive and time consuming, and insurance companies are passing the cost on to homeowners.
And tonight on a Fox 13 Severe Weather Center 13 investigation, we're showing you how the changing climate above us is now driving our insurance bills up and what we might be able to do about it.
Hurricanes, wildfires, tornadoes, and floods. These extreme weather events are happening more often. Climate change is a major factor. Fox 13 meteorologist Matt Urasovic is investigating how these natural disasters, even ones in other parts of the country, are costing families here in the Mid-South more.
Covington, Tennessee, Wynne, Arkansas, Rolling Fork, Mississippi. These Mid-South communities are all rebuilding more than a year after tornadoes ripped them apart.
Losing both your school and your home at the same time, it was obviously traumatic. I didn't know how to take it in all at once.
This month, tornado outbreaks killed people in Middle Tennessee.
Oh my gosh, John.
And in Oklahoma.
It's right there, look at it, see it? Yeah.
We're alive.
We're alive.
We're alive, thank God we're alive.
Research is ongoing into whether climate change is causing more tornado outbreaks. But one thing already proven is that tornado outbreaks are getting more severe.
When you get tornado outbreaks, we're seeing more tornadoes out of those events. And so more tornadoes out of individual events mean, okay, there's a greater chance that you actually might be impacted, or at the very least, more homes, more businesses are impacted, which has a ripple effect into the insurance industry.
Dr. Dorian Burnett is a meteorologist, climatologist, and storm chaser who works at the University of Memphis. He says research has shown humans have caused certain shifts in the climate, shifts that can make extreme storms like hurricanes, tornadoes, and supercell thunderstorms more devastating.
This is, again, where the rubber meets the road and how anthropogenic climate change can inject itself little by little into your pocketbook.
One of those impacts is the increasing cost of homeowners insurance. Natural disasters across the country lead to expensive damage, and to recoup the loss, insurance companies pass the cost on to everyone.
Climate risk impacts are significant when it comes to the pricing of home insurance. Last year alone, we had $60 billion in severe convective storm losses across the country, the most ever in a single year.
And that's reflected in homeowners insurance rates. This map shows where home insurance rates are the highest in the Plain States and areas most at risk from hurricanes. But insurance costs are going up everywhere, driven largely by inflation, the cost of replacement materials, more wildfires, and more storms. The insurance company Matic says the average homeowner's policy climbed from just under $1,200 in 2019 to around $1,700 in 2023. That's a 44% increase.
When you have that level of losses, it's going to impact home insurance in all areas, not just coastal areas, not just high-risk states like California or Florida, but everywhere in the country, including Tennessee.
This is a look at the 10 most expensive cities for insurance coverage, according to Policy Genius. Memphis ranks number 9 at nearly $3,200 per year, even though our median home value is among the lowest at $143,000. There are many factors that go into those prices, including the age of your home, location, crime, your credit history, and your deductible. Another factor driving up rates in our area is the possibility of an earthquake because we sit near the New Madrid Fault. But the changing climate is one of the biggest factors in increasing the price of your homeowner's insurance.
Climate risk factors impact everybody across the country. It might be different types of perils, but it's going to impact every county in the country, no matter where you live.
Hurricane season starts June 1st, and we're transitioning into a La Nina pattern, that typically makes the Atlantic hurricane season worse. The Colorado State Hurricane Forecast calls for an extremely active season. 23 named storms, 11 hurricanes, and 5 major hurricanes. Those are all significantly above average. While we don't technically see landfalling hurricanes here in the Mid-South, we could still get impacted by them after they would make landfall in the Gulf of Mexico.
Right, yeah, they have to recover their losses somehow, and if you have a big enough geographic footprint, that's crucial to guard yourself against hurricane losses. And so, yes, you want to cover people along the Gulf Coast, but you also want to cover people well inland.
It's important to remember homeowners insurance does not cover flooding. That's a separate policy. Flooding is a significant threat here because of supercell thunderstorms dropping inches of rain and our location here along the Mississippi River.
Unfortunately, as you know, one system can cause problems if it's just in the wrong place at the wrong time.
There are things you can do to lower your risk and your homeowner's insurance costs. I'm joined by Fox 13's Your Money investigator, Kate Beery. And Kate, tell us about those.
Yeah, Matt, thank you. Renovations to your home can help lower your monthly home insurance costs, including investments like replacing your roof or upgrading electrical or plumbing systems. You can also raise your deductible to lower your monthly premium, improve your credit score for a lower price. You can also ask your insurance agent about discounts available to your household or things like bundled policies. And remember, you can always shop around, get quotes from different companies to find the best rate. And Matt, there are also rebates available for making your home more energy efficient. Hopefully that will lower your utility bill and it might help with the cost of your insurance. We put links to all that information in the Your Money section of fox13memphis.com to make it a little easier.
Thank you, Kate. And as severe weather season continues here in the Mid-South, Severe Weather Center 13 will continue to track extreme weather threats right here in our area. Meteorologist Matt Yurasovic, Fox 13 News.